Zach Bryan, is going to be played in standard tuning. It will be finger picked and it uses standard chords. You need to know an F, a C, a G, and an A minor. So, the picking pattern on this song, it tends to kind of jump around in pattern from time to time. So what I'm showing you is kind of a feel, a gist. It may not be necessarily precisely like finger for finger, note for note, what's coming out of the recorded version, but it definitely gets the broad sentiment of what is happening here. Zach Bryan tends to just use his thumb and first finger whenever he picks, is what it looks like, or whenever he finger picks. So some of this movement is a bit, it's not very intuitive to how I usually finger pick, because I usually throw a second finger in there. But a lot of the feel that he's getting is coming from just a thumb and a first finger. That's a thumb going down and usually first finger coming up the whole way. So the first fret, or not the first fret, the first chord is going to be an F chord with your ring finger on the 4-string 3 fret, your second finger on the 3-string 2 fret, your first finger on the 2-string 1 fret, and your pinky finger will be down on the 1-string 3 fret. You're going to pinch two strings at the same time with your thumb and your first finger. Your thumb is on the 4th string, your first finger is on the 2 string. Then you'll move with your thumb to the 3 string, and then you'll hit with your first finger the 2 string. And then you'll come back to thumb on the 4 string, and then you'll pinch again, thumb on the 4th string, now first finger on the first finger on the 1 string, where your pinky finger is on the 3 fret. So, very slowly, pinch, pinch. But at speed, it's more like. And then after that last pinch, it goes back thumb to the 3 string, second finger to the 2 string, and then back thumb on the 4 string. Is the way that I'm hearing it. Then the second chord, C chord. You'll move with you'll just shift your ring and second fingers down a set of strings. So now your ring finger is on the 5-string 3 fret, your second finger is on the 4-string 2 fret, you'll have an open 3 string, your first finger is on the 2-string 1 fret, you'll have an open 1 string. Now here, the pinch that happens is with your thumb on the 5 string and your first finger on the open 3 string. And here it's going to be pinch, 5 and 3, thumb to the 4, first to the 3, thumb back to the 5, and then pinch, 5 and 2. So you get, and then 4, 3 as the last kind of little finish of that fill. And then you go down to a G chord. So the G is going to be moving with your ring finger to the 6-string 3 fret. You can just let your ring finger mute out the 5 string if you want to, or you can put your second finger down on the 5-string 2 fret. You'll have an open 4, an open 3, an open 2, and pinky finger pulled back to the 1-string 3 fret. And here you're pinching thumb on the 6th string and first finger on the 3 string. You'll go pinch and then thumb on the 4, first on the 3, come back to this thumb on the 6th string, and then pinch 6th string and 1 string together. And then you go to an F chord. So the way that Zach Bryan makes his F chords or this second F chord rather, is he makes it like a bar chord. So first finger on the 6th string, 1 fret, ring finger on the 5th string, 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string, 3 fret, and second finger on the 3 string, 2 fret. Here you're pinching with your thumb and first finger on strings 6 and 4, and then it goes first finger to the 3 string, first finger to the 4th string, and thumb down the 5 string, I think is the feel it gets. And then pinch again. So you got and then leading into the next round, I can hear a little pickup note of an open 5 string and then a 6 string 3 fret. And then back into the F chord again. Now sometimes in this F chord, it's not always hitting the 1 string 3 fret. Sometimes it's hitting an open 1 string, like, as opposed to so that's just me lifting my pinky off of the 1 string 3 fret. C chord, sometimes in the C chord, it emphasizes the fretted 2 string 1 fret, but in some rounds in the C chord, Zach puts his pinky finger down on the 1st string 3 fret and emphasizes that 1 string 3 fret just like you do in the G chord. And then at the end of the first verse in the G chord, I can hear that the pattern changes a little bit, and there is a hammer on to the 4th string 2 fret. So like G, hammer, and then open it back up. So you're hammering 4th string 2 fret with your 2nd finger, and then opening back up the 4th string back into the F, where it'll just kind of drone with 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and stop, where there's the break before the chorus, and the chorus is going to be an A minor chord to a G chord to an F chord to a C chord. And I'll talk about how to make those in just a second, but I will say that in the few live versions that are floating around there of Zach Bryan playing this, he's just kind of down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, strumming with his right hand. But in the recorded version of the song, there's obviously a lot going on, and I think that if you're playing this just solo acoustic, it might make sense to try to mimic the rhythm that is happening in the recorded version, like a so like a down, 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 as opposed to a down, up, 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 down, 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 down. That's the way that I would do it. So the chords, an A minor, open 5 string, 2nd finger on the 4th string 2 fret, ring finger on the 3 string 2 fret, 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. So down, 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 down on the A minor, then go to the G chord. Ring finger on the 6th string 3 fret, 2nd finger on the 5 string 2 fret, open 4, open 3, open 2, pinky finger pulled back to the 1 string 3 fret, down, 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 F chord, which you can play like the bar chord, or I tend to play F chords with my thumb on the 6th string, and then ring on the 5 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 3 fret, 2nd finger on the 3 string 2 fret, 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, and just muting out the high 1. So we've got down, 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 down on the F, down, 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 and then it moves to a C chord. So this is a 4-fingered C chord, where this shape that I was just playing, your ring, pinky, and second fingers just all shift down one set of strings. So now my ring finger is on the 6-string 3 fret, my pinky finger is on the 5-string 3 fret, my second finger is on the 4-string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2-string 1 fret, open 1 string. So there's also a walk, so that's down, 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 down on the C chord, and then it repeats A minor to the G major, to the F major, to the C major, to the A minor. So after the C major, there's a walk up that, like a bass and electric guitar does, maybe, of leading back up into the A minor. So the way that I do that on an acoustic guitar is just lift your ring finger off of the 6th string so that you open up the 6th string, and then put your ring finger back down on the 6-string 3 fret to emphasize the 6-string 3 fret, so that you get a feel like, and I'll really emphasize it here. But of course, like in the flow of the song, it would feel a bit more natural and subtle. So I think that's it. Then it goes back into that picking pattern, which again, I've kind of just given you the general feel of. So those are the chords and the movements to From Austin by Zach Bryan. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.